So what's up guys, welcome to Python tutorial, and in this class we will be looking at how to download and install Python. Okay, so directly go to your favorite web browser and type in over there download Python, and they will be giving you all the option, and you just have to select the appropriate option to download. So basically this is the first step on which you should be clicking. So click on download Python, which will be taking you to the website known as python.org, which is basically the official website of Python. Okay, so over here you have to select the product specific to your operating system. Okay, so there are a lot many options given over here, and you just have to select one of the option which is favorable for you. Okay, so it is taking a little bit time to load. Okay, so this is the website of Python. You can directly click on this, and it will be directly downloading the latest version of the Python, which is Python 3.8.3. And this is the about us section. If you are interested, then you can directly go and okay. So next step what we have is download, then the documentation. If you want to read the documentation of Python, then you can do that from over here. But let's just click on this download, and after that you just have to click on this Python download button, which is download for Windows. Then on this button you have to click. I will be canceling this because I have already downloaded and installed the Python. I'll be showing you guys exact process how to carry out the installation. But for your information, this is the place from where you can download the Python. So if you're like going down below, these are some of the released versions of the Python. You can download the Python either in the exe format or zip format. So from my opinion, you should be downloading from this point. It will make your work a little bit easier. If you're a Windows user, click on this. If you're a Mac OS user, click on this. Or if you are any other platform user, then you can click on this and browse the options and install the appropriate package for your system. Okay, so this was all about from where you can download and install Python. Thanks for watching.